Okay. So, nung nag-artista na si Ate Liza, may napansin ka bang nagbago sa kanya or walang nagbago talaga?
Wala
Still
po.
the same? Wala talaga.
Dumagdag lang yung love life. Tama ba? Oh, Daddy John! Daddy John just pierced me with those eyes. Nasabi niya,
Baka si daddy ang may sasabihin.
Daddy, you wanna say something about the love life na meron yung anak niyo ngayon?
Since you talking about the love life, Enrique is a good young fella.
Wala pa. Gusto ko po clear ha. Sinabi ko lang po love life. Wala po kami sinasabing pangalan at may binanggit po kayo, sir.
Enrique Iglesias ba ito?
Let's blow it up. Everybody else knows.
Okay.
Yung pala iglesia.
So sorry, if I can cut this lang. Liza, of course, dahil na nabanggit na ni Tito, I wanna ask you, what is your birthday wish pa?
Let's make it interesting, no? Let's make it interesting for everyone. Just complete this phrase, ha? Ngayong 18 years old na ako, pwede na akong mag-blank.
Party. Joke lang. No, I don't know. I was able to do everything naman before.
Okay.
So there's not really a difference. I don't even feel like I'm 18.
This 18, anong gusto mo yung hindi mo nagagawa before, ang gusto mo nang magawa ngayon?
Kukuha ako ng license.
Nice.
Would you allow that, Lolo? Lolo
I
Jeff?
already drive. I actually
Yes,
crashed
okay.
the car the other day.
Ay, naku, huwag mo sasabihin, may nanonood na taga-LTO, hindi ka bibigyan ng Sinabi mo crush ka. Ito si Alex. Alex, you are very close to Liza. Oh, with Liza pa.
We heard from the family. Ikaw
Pili
from
na lang
a
kayo.
friend naman.
Yes, what's the question po?
So, how...
How is Eliza as a friend to you, bro?
Ang kulit niya.
Makulit si Liza, no?
Oo. Tapos noon, yung hindi pa siya marunong magtagalog masyado kung ano-ano sinasabi.
Yan ang hindi siguro alam ng,
Yung launching
ng
pa
mga
lang.
tao dyan.
Yeah,
Pero
so,
ang layo na narating ni Liza, no?
Yes, ang layo niya. From San Jose, nandito na
Ay,
siya.
partner ko to nung launching. Proud ako. Partner ko to nung launching.
No, you know what makes Liza very beautiful? She doesn't know she's beautiful kasi, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi siya yung mga magandang nagmamaganda, di ba? Tama
Saka
ba
yung ano,
ako?
yung simplicity niya, 'di ba? Kahit na alam niyang sobrang ganda siya. See,
Hindi nga niya alam eh.
yun yung maganda kay Liza eh.
Ito nakakaloka.
Beautiful, diba?
Ayaw niya ng manika. Mas gusto niya, mas na-appreciate niya yung, Shakidal.
Bakit?
Ay, grabe.
Bakit?
Bakit yun
Parang may something na yun.
Hindi. Wala. Parang ano nga explanation ni
What
Liza
is explanation?
What is
doon? May explanation
explanation?
siya dun eh.
I just don't like Barbies. Because I'm scared of their... They don't like them either. I think they're
Do you
scary. Because they can become possessed.
You don't like Barbies, but do you like Ken?
Nice one, bro.
Hindi ka naman host dito.
Ay, wala.
Nag-aaral.
Actually, yung gilingan portion mamaya mangyayari yan.
With-
Dito mismo
with
sa...
Enrique?
Yes, dito sa ASAP Chill Out. Pero,
Wait, ilang
ngayon,
taon na ba si Enrique?
20... Alam na ni Daddy John,
Alam
ha?
na, alam mo, daddy, nagkakalat na
Grabe,
tayo.
ano? Na-research mo ba si Enrique?
Nakita ko yung
I do
cellphone
my
niya
project.
naka-Wikipedia.
Lisken po ba kayo? Pero how is Enrique to you?
Enrique is a good young fella, and I cannot ask for more. He's a gift from God.
Having said that one, Daddy John,
Yes.
dito sa Pilipinas, alam mo naman yun eh, may tinatawag na binibigyan mo na ba ng basbas? Na
Of course, like I said in the beginning.
Binibigyan, of course, binibigyan na ng basbas. Pwede na, so, ngayong 18 na si Liza.
Pari
siya
ba kayo, daddy? Pabasbas na rin ako.
Di pa basbas na blessing na
Blessing.
magigaw.
So, pwede na bang, ito ang tanong, pwede na ba mag-boyfriend si Liza ngayong 18 siya?
They're
Dito,
friends.
Oji, dito, Oji.
We're friends. We're good friends, so we'll just keep it that way. And
Ayun.
we'll see what happens between.
Coming from the perspective of the father, yan. How about the Lolo first? Tito
Lola,
Och?
do you agree having Liza to be in a committed relationship now that she's 18?
Well,
Bangin daw, bangin.
Ate
hapon lang
Yoni.
naman eh.
Si tita nagsalita, oh.
Friendship stage, okay. Bata pa
Friendship.
siya, yeah. Yung career muna, pag-aaral lahat.
Yes,
Ayan.
totoo. Kasi sobrang dami na eh. May career na, merong pang study.
How about from the mother? Tito Och?
Hindi, ako sa totoo lang, syempre kami lahat maraming pangarap para kay Liza. At pati si Liza, marami rin pangarap para sa sarili niya. So, kung ako tatanungin, hindi pa.
Okay.
Hindi pa.
Sa
Mas
tama-
maganda
ano?
na ini-enjoy muna niya yan. Like, kung panliligaw, kung nanliligaw si Enrique sa kanya, i-enjoy niya muna yon.
Right timing
Oo,
for everything.
oo.
Oh. Lalong-lalo na, may love na lang tayo sa characters niya na pwede
Correct.
mangyari sa February, di ba? That's Dolce Amore.
Yeah.
Please invite everyone to watch Dolce Amore.
Yeah, ayun. Hi everybody. I hope you guys watch Dolce Amore. I don't know when this February, pero mga February po.
Ayun.
Ano daw, this just in Feb 30. Wala namang Feb 30. Joke lang. Wala yung joke.
Iba ka talaga, Alex.
Hindi niyo ako
Alright.
pinagtanggol.
Before we wrap
Wrap
this
kayo.
thing up, can we have like a single wish from the family?
of the
Each.
family.
Yes.
Simulan mo natin sa brothers. Kay
Jaden.
Jaden.
Jaden, what is your birthday wish for your ate? Ay, Liza, ano yung ginagawa mo sa kapatid?
Birthday wish, Jaden.
I wish...
Upon a star.
Oh, Casey muna. Si Casey daw muna. Wish
Casey.
for
What's your wish
Ate
for
Liza.
A ballerina.
She wishes a ballerina.
Ah.
Ballerina toy.
No, baka ikaw, you look like a ballerina.
A real ballerina.
Yan ang wish namin dito sa audio.
I wish
na
that
sana hindi po
the mic
magbayad.
is not broken.
Oh.
That's the wish.
How about you? Yeah, the eldest brother.
Hello.
The only brother. What can you say?
Simple wish for her 18th birthday.
For her to be happy and successful in her career, and I hope it never ends.
Ayun. May forever kay Enrique talaga. Ay, sorry. Lolo Jeffrey.
Speaking of,
Oh my gosh. Lolo Jeffrey. Lolo Jeffrey, your birthday wish first. Oy! Grabe na-call in agad ah. Lolo Jeffrey, your birthday wish for Liza.
Ang birthday wish ko sa maganda kong dalagay, sana matuto ka, maging wiser ka ngayon at 18 ka na. Yun lang ang masasabi ko para sa kanya.
Thank you so much, Lolo Jeffrey. Daddy John.
More prosperous, because 2015 was good and 2016 now is, and sana hindi ka magkasakit because all these projects you gotta do ahead of you, so keep it safe, have fun, and don't break a leg.
There we
Don't
go.
break
Thank
a
you.
leg? Okay.
Tito Odge.
Break a leg.
Kayo. Break a leg.
Break a leg.
Dance kids. Wala
Si Liza napakasipag na bata yan. Kaya one time na ospital na siya sa sobrang workaholic niya. Kaya ang wish ko lang sa kanya, good health. Ayan. Tapos, kung may panahon talagang magpahinga ka ng bonggang-bongga, meron pa ba? Ayan. At sana happy siya lagi. Kung love life man yan, kung
Uy.
meron. Kung meron. Ayun
At
lang.
least, ang maganda naman sa kanya, no, kahit na nagtatrabaho siya, meron siyang inspiration.
Correct.
Pero may
Oo, tama.
nag-inspire sa kanya.
Tama.
Totoo. Actually, nagulat kami dito dun sa ospital. Baka yung puso niya.
Ano?
Naman. Magkaroon ng karamdaman. Actually, ang mag-aalaga sa puso naman niya, si Enrique Hill.
Enrique!
Ayan na.
Ngayon.
Enrique, what is your birthday wish?
My birthday wish is simple. I just want her wish to come true. Actually, simple lang yung wish niya. She just really wants...
You. Sorry.
No, Robbie. She wants to build a house in the States so all the siblings can stay together. So whenever she goes to the States, they can all stay in one house. And that's all she wants. So I hope, and I know she can do it. So
Yes, this year.
yeah, that's it. That's all I want.
This year.
Ano mangyayari
Right,
talaga?
Casey?
Ah.
Right, that's it.
Kitang-kita natin
Happy birthday.
family-oriented yung Liza.
Yes.
No?
Totoo.
Family-oriented talaga siya. Pwede na siyang TV show. Liza lang. Family-oriented TV show
How about
siya.
ikaw Liza?
Liza, any message mo sa family?
Sa mga supporters mo na palaging nandyan para sa'yo.
I just want to say thank you because my family's with me here today on ASAP at naranasan nila yung lagi kong naranasan to be really, really nervous. So I'm just happy that they're here. Thank you, ASAP, for bringing them here. And I just want to say thank you to all my supporters. Stop. To all my supporters, thank you guys. And thank you to all the fans who helped me for my debut in Batangas. Thank you guys. Love you.
There we go. Palapakan po natin. Ay,
And if you have anything you want to tweet, just hashtag ASAP Ask Liza.
There we go. We're gonna be having more of Miss Liza Soberana sa
Happy birthday,
Twitterverse.
Liza!
And thank you so much to the family and
Yes,
friends
thank you, thank
dito ni Liza Soberana. Palapakan po natin sila for being here on the show. Thank you, thank you. And more surprises coming your way dito lang sa pagbabalik po ng ASAP.
Chill Out.
Don't go away. Thanks so much, Hope. Happy birthday.
Hello?